summer evening, soft and still, you caught my gaze against my will. A quiet smile in the fading light, and suddenly the world felt right. Then the rain began, no warning at all. Drops like whispers softly start to fall. Your presence cool on my heated skin, awakening feelings from deep within. Now I'm hanging in this misty glow, don't know which way the wind will blow. Heart wide open to the pouring sky. Will we say hello or goodbye? Will this rain wash everything away, or will it leave a rainbow come what may? Sudden summer rain, unexpected you. What magic will this evening do? Sudden summer rain, unexpected you. Light peeks in, a soft promise where it all begins. Will this rain wash everything away, or will it leave a rainbow come what may? Sudden summer rain, unexpected you. What magic will this evening do? Sudden summer, unexpected you. This time the colors come through. Sudden shower fades into the blue. Some rains vanish without a clue. But maybe this one, tender and true, leaves a rainbow shining just